Page 95, number 33. Graph the function and identify intervals on which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So our function for this problem is g of x equals 3 minus the quantity x minus 1 squared. So looking at the graph, what we see is we have a parabola. So let's go ahead and graph that. So we have a y-intercept at 2. We have a vertex at 1, 3. And we have an x-intercept here and one like right there. So let's go ahead and draw that. Kind of like that. There's a sketch of our graph. And we're supposed to identify where it's increasing, decreasing, or constant. So what we can see is that if we come along from x equals negative values up to our vertex, that is the interval on which it is increasing. So our increasing interval will be written in terms of our x values. We always write everything in terms of the independent variable. So we have negative numbers up to and including 1. So then for decreasing, what we can see is at that vertex, the function turns around and starts to decrease on all of the remaining positive values. So my interval would look like that, and again, it's in terms of the independent variable.